if you play the game correctly, the rents, the Section 8 rents you can get for a 4-bedroom home like this in Cleveland, you'll be at like $1,550, okay? If you would have been putting Section 8 tenants in there, you alleviate a lot of the risks because the biggest issue is not being able to collect rent and having to evict people and then having a vacant property. Y'all, if you're ready to do a rehab, I got a massive opportunity for you in Cleveland. This one's 7300 Claasen, all right? Coming to you at $39,999. It is vacant, and it is in need of a full rehab. It is pretty toasted in there, okay? We have an out-of-state investor. I guess he bought the property a couple years ago. He tried his hand at being an out-of-state investor. It did not work out for him. I think he had to deal with a lot of evictions and problems and this or that, and he's ready to cash in his chips, fold his hand, leave the table, right? So his loss is going to be your gain because the rents, if you do it smart, if you play the game correctly, the rents, the Section 8 rents you can get for a 4-bedroom home like this in Cleveland, you'll be at like $1,550, okay? I think that was this guy's big problem. I don't think he was putting Section 8 tenants in his properties, right? And if you don't put Section 8 tenants in your properties and you're in a tough neighborhood like this, well, your investment's probably going to fucking look like this, okay? It's going to be empty because people didn't pay rent. You had to evict them. People come in, they break in the house, they steal stuff, they screw stuff up, right? Like, your furnace, your hot water tank, your electric panel and stuff, right? If you look at that, like that hot water tank itself, sure, yeah, man, it's like a fairly new hot water tank, but like everything's all mangled around it. The piping was stolen and the furnace got taken apart. The electric panel, like the guts got ripped out. Like there's all kinds of issues, right? Because if your house is vacant, that makes it a target for the criminals to come in, right, and do that kind of stuff. It's going to cost you money, right? So I think that was his big mistake. If he would have been putting Section 8 tenants in there, you alleviate a lot of the risks because the biggest issue is not being able to collect rent and having to evict people and then having a vacant property. Uncle Sam, the government, they're paying the rent. The rent is guaranteed, so you're going to get a tenant in there. You're going to collect that $1,550 every single month on the same exact day, every single time, deposited directly into your account, and you don't run into these kinds of issues, right? This alleviates a lot of the problems you see, right? So if you're smart, you'll be able to do a BRRRR deal on this, get the ARV up over $100,000, bring in over $1,500 a month. Going to be a big opportunity for you. Now, before you give me your bid, I want you to pay attention to what's coming up next. The footage I've been clipping out, right, that you've been looking at while I've been talking to you, I want you to see all of that, right, especially you out-of-state investors. I want you to get a really good idea of the exact condition of this property. Also, if you want to tour the property, like with a contractor or something of that nature, so you can get an exact line item for the scope of work you're going to need to do to this, and I'm thinking, every bit of $40K plus, right? You can do that, right? We'll get you in there. You can get you in there the same business day if you hit us up before 5 o'clock or the very next business day if it's after 5 o'clock, right? So after you watch the footage, right? So if you can't tour it yourself, you can get a great idea of exactly the condition of this property. I'm going to show you all the footage you've been seeing here in completely uncensored format so you can really sink your teeth into what this property is going to need for the rehab. Or if you're local and you want to tour it, just let us know. After you either tour it yourself or you watch the rest of this video and you want to make a cash offer or a hard money offer, if you need hard money lenders, I have those, right? I have fix and flip lenders. I have BRRRR lenders for folks like you who might need them. If you get that, right, you get your proof of funds for a cash offer or you get my lenders, just let me know. I'll give you my lenders. And you get a pre-approval from one of them and you want to make an offer, you will just send it to my team, sales@HoltonWise.com, and include that proof of funds or that pre-approval letter. Take a look at all that footage now.
Well, what's we need to do something here? Tear it down. That might be it. Good enough. Now, because these quick politicians won't forgive us no more. Right. So they'll stand.
What's the address here? Something Claasen.
73 something. And what's the Wi-Fi code? 0815. I'll whisper that to the camera.
Whisper it right into the camera? Yeah, I think so.
Hey man, we're pretty good at selling stuff. You think life waxes on the store? You guys want to walk around out front?
Well, you're blocking my shot, but yeah, we got to walk.
That might be the dog behind the house.
Yeah, there's a dog behind. I thought it smelled a little funky back here. Yeah, okay, there's no dog in this yard. Or in this garage. This is Derek's favorite thing, to make sure I get the garage.
Oh, this one I did, yeah. I think you should get the yard too, so that there's no,
There's no,
Is that dog? Oh, I see.
yeah, he's on the back porch there. He's a nice little dog.
Cutie. I don't mean to bug you.
Yeah, dude, we're just here to do our job and get out.
I'm here to film, talk shit, and leave.
Garage wasn't open.
Got a nice skunky smell. I mean, we might even want to just check this door. It might be unlocked.
It might be. I'll check the front door for the lock. Dude says we'd be like the fourth management company trying to come here and sell it.
Well,
I was like, well, yeah, what's up?
it might sell. No, she's locked.
Screwed shut.
Scooby-Doo.
Door in the back, right?
No, I didn't see one back there.
Okay. Watch your step.
You don't want me to step on the dead baby skunk?
Not really. Stinky.
Ooh, stinky.
Is there a lockbox there? Not on that door. So does that mean, is it unlocked?
Oh,
Oh, right here. Right here.
That's the bullshit, bro.
Oh, it's right here.
Under the ivy.
Under the ivy, you say?
Yeah.
Oh. Son of a bitch.
Porch. Looks like it had cameras at one point.
You think this place had an eviction?
Sticker.
Yep.
Oh yeah, who knows how fucking old that is.
I don't know. It looks pretty new.
Oh, by the way, guys, we got the hat situation figured out. I cut my hair, so now I just don't wear hat.
Team no hat?
Team no hat.
Decked out in the HW gear. The
My
piece on his side.
Scalp's gotta get some sun.
I can already smell this place. It smells like water.
Old and wet. Wow, it's pretty dark. You have another light out there?
Was it unlocked?
No.
Oh, okay.
You have another light?
You can use this one. I'll wait for you to
I
clear.
can use my phone. This
Yeah.
might be bright now.
Phone's all I got, too.
Whoa, you can make what?
Yeah, you can change the
I can
beam.
make it wide?
Yeah,
You got a new phone, dude?
yeah. He's got the.
Yeah, I don't know how to use it.
What you got?
Probably the same thing you have, maybe. Hello? I cannot see anything.
There's a flashlight here on the ground.
I was gonna say.
I think that works.
Maybe.
I think it's covered in fentanyl.
Oh, dude, I think somebody was in here filming OnlyFans content.
Oh shit,
It
dude.
looks like sticky.
People be into that.
I don't know what that neighbor was talking about. The floor's not that soft.
I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't actually know what he said. It just sounded like he said the floor was soft. He could have said something entirely different. He sounds like the fucking dude from Joe Dirt or whatever the fuck it is.
Nice.
Nice, the homo night.
Man, let's see almost name.
Nice, the homo night.
What's wrong with Mandor?
Open window.
Ah, okay. So we might be with
Maybe splitters, huh?
That was me.
last year too.
Oh, there is a side door.
Is there? On that side?
Yeah. I think that goes to the basement. I'll wait for Vince to clear the basement though before we know. This house is like built sideways.
Hey, this is a legit Army issue.
What?
I have like 10 of these. This is real.
Nice, dude.
They were private first class.
Good for them.
Probably got AIDS on my fingers, but that's alright.
Yeah, yeah, there's no way to like even.
Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna kick their way in again. Any of them go upstairs?
No, I haven't gone up there yet. I haven't gone upstairs or to the basement.
Where is it?
It's in that side room.
Windows wide open, that's great. You think someone's definitely coming and going? There's a table out there you can use as a step stool.
Is it really?
Dead giveaway. Yeah, there's a green fucking table.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I think we fucking try and board it up. Not board it, but you know.
They probably just come here to sleep at night. Did you go upstairs or to the basement?
Yeah, there's a basement.
What'd you say, Vince?
Upstairs.
It's clear?
So far.
Okay, well.
There's a crawl space I'm not going into, but
Yeah, no, fuck that.
we can film it at a distance.
Yeah, this place does need a little work.
Needs a little love. I mean, what would you even call this room? That can't be a fucking bedroom.
Which one? That front room? That's the living room.
No, the basement.
Oh, this is just a slop sink room, like a slop room, yeah.
Not laundry room, not in the basement though?
Well, what the fuck? These steps go straight up.
Yeah, it's like a fucking ladder.
It's hard to maneuver that shit. I went up. Vince and I are up here.
Yeah, this is the, this room has a crawl space, so I'd only put...
Vince, you go in the basement yet?
No.
You want to leave? Where do you go?
I'll leave. I'm away from that.
Yeah, I'm almost done.
Probably best that three of us go to the basement. Yeah, it's been a little while. I should have brought my flashlight. This definitely would have been one that would have made it useful.
Oh yeah, what the fuck is that thing?
That's a hole into the abyss, man. You can see your future and your past in it.
The dog started barking as soon as I like put the camera in. I'm like, oh no.
You can see. Hey, Derek.
No.
I have a 16 Pro.
I
Is that what you got?
16 Pro swag.
I don't. I thought I had a 16 Pro. I brought the 16.
The 248 years later is from,
Yeah. I didn't think my buddy that was in the wedding fucking told me he got one too. And I was like, you know you can film stuff in 4K, right? He's like, oh dude, how? Fucking showed him, you just tap it on your camera. It's like 4K, 30 frames a second, 60, 120, and goes all the way up to 240.
Basement's this way. Probably gonna want to fix that. Yeah, I'll let you go out there.
Upstairs.
Can I use the light for this one?
Yeah.
My flashlight doesn't really. There is another door over here.
Yeah.
Hello?
What the fuck?
Is that a warning, miss? I think we're good.
Okay.
Oh man, we're at a fucking death trap crawl space.
What the
A lot of air coming in.
What the fuck are these steps, dude?
Here, if you need the...
No, I'm good. I just don't want to have another Illyria incident. Were you there for that?
Ah, I missed it. You fell down the step through
I
the
fell
step,
through
right?
the fucking steps. Oh, this place is clearly not getting broken into that often.
Yeah, right.
They left the most important thing here. I hate how Derek walks.
Walks like someone's coming to murder us
Yeah.
in the basement.
Oh, look.
Messy, dirty.
Ouch.
Oh yeah, there's another. Alright, now we're filming, and now you guys can see the dead raccoon.
Hell yeah.
The fucking card was full.
You can get that dead raccoon on camera, bro.
Yeah, when did that go out though?
My selection will be.
You know when that went out?
When I think when I was down here.
We can rewatch before we leave.
Place makes me feel itchy.
I don't understand how the furnace and hot water are still here though. That's
Well,
why-
after this gets posted to YouTube, they probably won't be.
Shit, right?
Hey, look, somebody was showering down here. At
Yeah,
some
nice
point.
fresh loofah. Look at that loofah. That thing's fucking prime.
Brand new.
Use it right now, dude.
Alright,
Yeah.
furnace, but the flue's all disconnected. So
Yeah, you saw that was all disconnected. You got that right?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I got that. Hot water tank.
Assuming your thing is still recording.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I was. I think because I was watching it as I was coming down. This Jesus Christ.
You want me to take the light?
No, okay.
You sound like
Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Ow, my knee. All right.
Weird.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.